In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a matrix rating scale question in SurveyMonkey. A matrix, also called a rating scale, is perfect when you want people to rate several items using the same scale. Think of statements like ease of use, design, and customer support, all answered with options such as strongly disagree to strongly agree. It keeps your survey concise and makes the data easier to compare. Start by opening your web browser and going to SurveyMonkey. Once you're on your dashboard, open the survey you want to edit. From there, switch to the Design Survey area. This is where you manage the content and layout of your questions and pages. Look to the left side and open the Build panel. This is your toolbox for adding new question types. Find and select Matrix/Rating Scale. As soon as you click it, SurveyMonkey will add a new matrix question to your survey canvas. You'll see a placeholder version that you can customize right away. Edit the question text to clearly explain what respondents are rating. A short instruction line, like "Please rate each item based on your experience," can help set expectations. In the Rows section, list the items or statements you want people to evaluate. Keep them specific and parallel in wording so each one fits the same scale. In the Columns section, define your scale points. A common approach is a 5-point scale such as strongly disagree, disagree, neutral, agree, and strongly agree. If you need a different scale, such as frequency, satisfaction, or likelihood, rename the column labels to match. Consistency is key. Use the same number of points and clear labels to reduce confusion. Check the selection settings so respondents can choose only one option per row, which is standard for agreement or satisfaction scales. If your use case requires multiple selections per row, adjust that setting accordingly. You can also decide whether the question is required. If every row matters to your analysis, enable the required option. If not, leave it optional to reduce survey fatigue. Consider adding a not applicable column if some rows might not apply to every respondent. This gives people an honest way to skip irrelevant items without forcing a guess. When everything looks good, the prompt is clear, rows are complete, and columns use consistent, meaningful labels, you're done. Your matrix/rating scale question is now part of your survey and ready for use. Keep your rows focused, keep your labels short and unambiguous, and avoid using too many rows in one question to maintain readability. That's all it takes to add a matrix/rating scale question in SurveyMonkey. Thanks for watching and happy surveying.